Welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today I'm going to be making California rolls and also fried panko shrimp rolls, so stay tuned for the recipe. I have 5 cups of cooked rice. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. I ran out of the sushi vinegar seasoning, so that's why I'm going to season my rice. I'm also going to season the rice with some sugar and salt. The list of ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box, and just give everything a quick mix. I'm making my California rolls really basic. I'm using imitation crab meat, avocado slices, and also cucumber. If you haven't already, check out my previous video where I show you how to make deep fried shrimp panko. The dipping sauce for the rolls is also included in that video. Feel free to use whatever seaweed sheets you have. I'm using this organic sushi nori. Take about half a cup of your seasoned rice and spread it onto your sushi nori rolls. Now the recipe I'm listing down below will make 10 rolls, so then you can split the ingredients in half if you only want to make 5 rolls. Add in the sliced cucumber, and I do like to use the English cucumber because it doesn't have so much seeds. 2 slices of the avocado. I'm making the panko shrimp roll, so add in 2 of your deep fried panko shrimp roll. All you have next to do is to roll the sushi nori. I didn't have a sushi mat, so you can just use the tuck and roll method. Tuck it in, roll, tuck and roll, so then the sushi roll can be tight and not loose. And seal the end with some water, and that's it. And now we're going to be making the California rolls. The same thing: rice, cucumber slices, avocado, and then pieces of your imitation crab meat. Roll and tuck until the end and seal with some water, and repeat this process until you're done with all your ingredients. I like to slice the sushi roll in half, and then I will slice the sushi rolls individually into smaller pieces. Now I made California rolls and also deep fried shrimp panko rolls, and also mixed the imitation crab and also the deep fried shrimp panko. So you can do whatever you want and whatever feeling you would like. My family absolutely loved these rolls. This was a huge hit in my family. This is perfect for the upcoming holidays as an appetizer. I really hope you've been enjoying my 12 Days of Christmas series. Make sure to come back tomorrow to see day 9 when I'm cooking or baking. Happy holidays, everyone.